Welcome to this meditation practice to nourish your mind, body, and soul, preparing you for sleep, a dreamy sleep. When you're ready, getting yourself as comfortable as you like. If you're already in bed, getting cozy with your blankets and pillows as you nestle in. If you're in another position, gathering whatever props you might need, any blankets or pillows, essential oils or eye coverings. This is your sacred space to nourish yourself, to support yourself in getting a deep, restful sleep. Adjusting yourself as you need so that you can be as comfortable as possible to drift off into sleep. Softly close or lower your eyes. Invite in a slow breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly. As you breathe in the magic of restful sleep. When you exhale, letting go to free your mind so that you can be in a tranquil, peaceful state. Slow breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly. Allow your body to experience deep relaxation, emptying yourself. A slow breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly, letting go. The activity of your conscious mind begins to slow down as you enter into a meditative state. Your eyes beginning to soften and sink towards the back of their sockets. Your skull gently pressing into the surface underneath you. The skin of your scalp spreading. The muscles around your ears softening. Your inner ears softening. The muscles around your cheeks and your jaw softening. Your lips are slightly apart. Your neck, the back and sides of your neck, sliding down towards your shoulders. The tops of your shoulders beginning to spread. Backs of your shoulders relaxing, settling into the surface underneath you. your heart and your lungs free and open, your belly relaxed, your hands relaxed, your fingers slightly curled up, your hips and your thighs are heavy, your legs heavy. The soles of your feet, the tops of your feet, relaxing. Your toes softening. It's as if the skin of your body is beginning to soften and melt off of the body, releasing. The bones feel nourished by this sense of heaviness. There's a vast space in your mind. Behind your forehead, the inhabitants of your mind is the cosmic universe, a vast expansive space. At your heart lies the center of your cosmic universe, your eternal flame. This is your home. Wherever the spark of your spirit is where the divine spirit resides next to yours. As you begin to drift off into sleep, into this cosmic consciousness, you feel the eternal glow of flames around you. Traversing the cosmic skies, the air is cool, the space is dark. You feel connected to the souls and the spirits around you. Their light illuminating you. You're at the center of this universe. You feel safe, contained, and at home, floating through this space. A coolness touching your cheeks and your eyelashes as you sail through the cosmic skies. As you marvel at the night sky, your body begins to drift even deeper into relaxation. You feel cocooned in this cosmic consciousness, a sense of warmth and acceptance. As you sail through the night sky, you can feel the love from the light around you, supporting you, encouraging you, inspiring you. Rest at peace. Allow yourself to let go. Sleep well, sweet souls.